Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the Crochet for You therapy page. My name is Brittany and today I'm going to teach you how to work the double crochet stitch. The double crochet stitch is a basic stitch you learn in crochet and you can use it for all kinds of patterns and also has different types of variation. So I'm going to teach you how to make the stitch, and also today I'm going to teach you how to use any chain stitch to make it look like a stitch. So let's get our materials together. So you should have all your materials. Your materials should consist of a crochet hook. Today I'm using the G hook. This is a 4mm crochet hook. This hook is from Hobby Lobby. There's a lot of stores around New York and also throughout the United States. I will post the website in the description box below, and also there's a coupon on the website to take the percentage off your order. And also grab any acrylic yarn that you have. This is from the Caron Simple Soft collection. I will post a link of this color yarn in the description box below. So once you have all your materials, we'll get started. So you should have all your materials, and now we're going to get started making the double crochet stitch. But first things first, we need to make a slip knot. If this is your first time doing a slip knot, I do have a video on how to make the slip knot in the first video of my channel, and I will post a link to that on the description box below. So let's get started making our slip knot and getting our chain started. So if you remember, doing the slip knot, you're going to wrap your finger twice around your finger, hold the beginning end of your yarn, take this yarn here and pull it over to the base of your fingernail and hold. And then you're going to take this yarn here, pull it over. And the one that's holding by your fingertips and pull up, which makes the slip knot. Now we're going to put our hook into the loop and pull tight. Feel free to use any tension that you like for your stitches, but make sure that it's not too loose and not too tight. So to start the chains, you're going to yarn over and pull through. So remember that the loop on your hook does not count. The loop that's on your hook right now does not count. This one that's right here does. So we're going to yarn over and pull through. You may too. So for this example, we're going to do 23 chains. So I have 4 so far. Pause the video, get your 23 chains, and we'll come back. Welcome back. So you should have at least 23 chains already made. So now we're going to get started making the double crochet stitch. So we're going to do the double crochet, the first double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. So remember, this loop here does not count. So this would be 1, this would be 2, and this would be 3. So in the 4th chain from the hook, we're going to yarn over. We're going to yarn over, insert a hook in the 4th chain from the hook, yarn over, and pull up a loop. You should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over and pull through 2. So you should have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the final 2, which makes your first double crochet stitch. So if you notice that you have this chain 3 here, this is actually going to be counted as your stitch for your beginning project. So when we use chains to make a stitch, this is just counted as a stitch. So this will be your first stitch and this will be your second. So we're going to work our second or third double crochet stitch. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook in the next chain next to the first one that you made, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. So you should have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you should have at least 2 made plus the chain 3, which makes it 3. So one more time, we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through final 2, which makes the double crochet stitch. Feel free to pause the video and work throughout this whole chain, and once you're finished, we'll come back once you finish. Welcome back. So you should have your first row of double crochet. So in this one, we should have at least, we'll count them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 that you made, and plus including the 3 chains that you skipped is counted as a stitch. So in the grand total, we have 21 double crochet stitches. So we're going to start on row 2. We're going to turn our work and we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So this chain 3 here is counted as a stitch. So we're not going to work in this first double crochet that's here. We're not going to work in this first double crochet here, since this is already our first stitch. So we're going to work into the next stitch, which is counted as our second double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook into the second double crochet, yarn over, and pull up a loop. You should have 3. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is starting row 2 of the double crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So feel free to pause the video and work your second row of double crochet throughout this row, and we'll come back. Welcome back. So you should have finished almost to the end of your second row of double crochet. So now I'm going to teach you how to finish off this row. So we're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the next double crochet stitch, yarn over, pull through, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we're at the end, and remember in the beginning that the 3 chains that we skipped is counted as a stitch. So to keep this line even, we're going to work in the chain. So we're going to yarn over, insert your hook into the top of the chain 3 stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through the final 2. So you have did your second row of double crochet and the edge looks a lot even, including this side. And that's it. And that's how you do a double crochet stitch and how to use a chain stitch as a stitch in your work. Please leave a comment down in the comment boxes below what you think about this video and what video should I do next. This is Brittany from Crochet for Therapy signing off, and thank you again for joining me in my video. Goodbye.